Hi there, welcome to episode number 17 of the electric motorhome. It's a sweltering summer here in Oregon. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's too hot to work inside the motorhome, so I'm going to do something else instead. It's over 100 degrees, so I'm seeking refuge in the garage. Hope everybody's doing alright out there in YouTube land. Today I'm working on the couplings that go between the alternator inside the back of the motorhome, and through the back wall is the Volkswagen engine, and also next to the alternator is this DC motor. The way the alternator and the Volkswagen engine are joined is by means of these couplings. These are called Lovejoy couplings, and they just fit together like that. You just put one shaft here, one shaft there, and they turn each other. And there's a rubber shock absorber like spider thing that fits in there, and that gives you a little bit of leeway to where you can actually, get a couple of degrees slightly off in your mounting, but I want it to be dead right, so I'll do my best. From the back of the Volkswagen engine comes a shaft, and this goes into the clutch plate. So I join two of these shafts together with this great thing here that holds everything nice and taut. Then I have to attach a Lovejoy coupling onto one end. And the way this is done is, or the way I think it's done, the way I'm going to do it is, I've got this clutch plate here, clutch disc, sorry, and I'm going to cut off these rivets, so we're just left with the end, and that will fit on there like that. Now then, this piece of coupling here will get holes drilled into it that match these holes left by the rivets. This will be tapped out, and that will join like that. So that's that part of the puzzle solved. Now, the shaft that comes out of the alternator will be attached to this Lovejoy coupling. The shaft is exactly that diameter, so we don't have a problem with that. What the challenge is to attach a pulley so that we can drive the DC motor that's sitting over there and will be in the back of the motorhome. This is the pulley. This has to attach to that, but as you see, the hole in this pulley is kind of big and doesn't leave you much meat to attach to the coupling. So what I did was I took a blank here, like I think it's 1/2 inch steel or something, maybe 5/8. Took a hole saw and drilled a hole in that. Took about a day to do because this kept getting hot. This was getting hot. I had to stop after 5 minutes and let it cool down for half an hour, then go again. But anyhow, we ended up with a great hole. I did a good job. So now this can attach to that. There's a lot more, space to attach it, and then from there that will attach to that. Actually, I'm wrong. That will fit in here. That will fit in that way. There. So that gives us our connections between the alternator and the Volkswagen engine. And the pulley will also, I'll make another pulley blank, drill another hole out for the DC motor. So the DC motor will have a pulley that will have a belt on going to the alternator. And therefore that pulley will look something like this. That's how it's going to work. So I'll get right back to you as soon as I get this thing sorted out. The tough part is to make sure that this hole and this hole are concentric with each other. Otherwise you're going to get like a cam action, and that throws the balance off, puts stress on the shaft. So the object of this exercise is to get everything lined up very equally. I'll talk to you in a minute. The waving willow waves in the afternoon breeze. Wave on.